Baked apple are my favorite winter treats. Pick your favorite apples. I'm using Pink Lady and Royal Gala. They are sweet, juicy, and perfect for baking. Take a knife and score a circle around the top. Grab a spoon and scoop it out. Add about 1/3 teaspoon of brown sugar and around 3 grams of butter into each apple. Pop them into the air fryer. Bake at 160 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. When the timer goes off, don't take them out yet. Turn the heat up to 180 degrees centigrade and bake for another 5 minutes. This helps the skin pour away from the flesh and get super tender. Look at that. The apples are bubbling in every color. Once they are done, finish with a small pinch of cinnamon. Here is my secret way to eat it. Take a sip of the apple juice on top first. Trust me, you are going to love it. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.